Hello, we're back again. This time we are introducing coin collection and scoring, as well as multiple characters with different attributes. Um, and I think that's about it for this assignment. Yeah. Character movements, collection of objects, sounds, and score. So I've got my three characters. I've got standard stick guy, bird, and then bigger cyborg looking dude. So if I just go and hit play, this is the base character. He does have, there it goes, the animation plays. For some reason it doesn't play when I'm going right, but if I go left it plays. I'm not sure why that is. Then if I hit 2, I'll switch to my bigger guy on the bottom. He moves a little slower, and he doesn't get much of a jump. If I swap, oh, why are you, oh, I know why. Okay, there we go. And then the bird has multiple jumps that it can do. So it can get to higher places than anyone else, or it can stay in the air just longer. It only gets 4 jumps though. I figured don't want to make it an infinite amount. One thing I haven't figured out is how to keep all characters active, because like these two guys are standing on the same platform, but they only show up when only at one at a time, because only one. I haven't figured out how to keep them active while only disabling the controls. And then these are the coins here, and if I go and step on them, they are collected, and they're also deleted. As you can see, the coin counts disappear over here, because the stick coin here and stick coin, where's the other, up here, and then this one right up here is going to disappear. For some reason the score isn't tracking. I've tried everything. I mean, it's changing the score, or it should be changing the score, but it's not applying it to the text box. But everything else is working. I have it set so that way it will snap the camera and controls an active player depending on which button you select. So 1, 2, and 3 will change you between the human, the cyborg, and the bird. And collectibles, the audio source will trigger every time the coin is touched, and then it destroys the coin. And then for character wise, I just changed up some of the in-class code where I made the jumps, or the number of jumps allowed, I changed it into a variable, and then that way I can use the same line of code for all of my characters, and I just have to change the variable on the character itself. So it's a little weird because the first jump will total up to 2 jump, like it counts the first jump as 2. So whatever I decide, so if I want to have a double jump, then I need to set the variable as 3, because then it'll add 2 for that first jump, and then 2 is still less than 3, so it'll allow you to jump one more time. And then as long as the variable of num jump is higher than, or is, as long as that variable is higher than the number of jumps plus 2, you can jump again. And so that's how I can get the bird to be able to have like a quadruple jump instead of just a double. And then the giant guy only gets, he still gets 1 jump, but I toned it down to like almost no jump, just so that you can visually see that he's trying to, but he just can't. He's too big. And I believe that covers everything for this week.